How can I get a job as a Web3 developer? So, if you look at the current scenario, like there's a lot of firings that are happening in every single industry. If you talk about the big company, they are also laying off their employee. So, right now, the situation is little tight. You will have a lot of competition if you want to grab any small portion in the company. But the only way to get into the job sector right now through connection. So, if you have your connection in the industry, it would be helpful for you to get job and internship. But if you are absolute fresher, then you have to do a lot of hard work for that, because you're going to compete with the top notch developer, those who got recently laid off from good companies, so they are also looking for a job. So that's why you will have a lot of competition. So if you really want to get into the job, I would say that you have to work on your portfolio, because most of you don't have proper portfolio, and there you not get any response when you try to apply for a job and internship. If you have a strong portfolio, it will help you to get into the market, get into the industry, then people will know you, then you will have a higher chance of getting job and internship. But if you don't have project, then you not expect that any company will hire you. You will sit back at home and you will not do your effort from your end, and you will get a job. So you have to put your labor, because right now the competition is very high. But those developer working as a Web3 developer for the last couple of years, they are getting a lot of freelancing project, and they are also getting into the startup company. The most of the firings and the most of the hirings happen in the lower level, not in the higher level. So that's the thing you have to understand, and that's what you have to focus on, that which area you are applying for, in which segment. So there are multiple hierarchy which you have to pick, and on the basis of that you have to work on your portfolio, work on the project. So right now the situation is a little tight for getting job and internship. It doesn't mean that you cannot able to get into the industry. You can, if you have a strong portfolio. The only reason is this time you have a lot of competition. You're going to compete with the other developers along with the AI models. So there is a lot of competitions at the moment. But if you are good, if you know your work, then definitely you will get an internship and a job. That's the sure thing I can say, because right now I can see there is a lot of demand.